All right, hey folks, it's Andrea Bassett from Forcemeat Academy. And today I want to talk to you about Christmas and why rillettes are a perfect food to make over the holiday season for Christmas. All right, so first, now I should have done this earlier. Here's some rillette. It looks foggy because I just took it out of the freezer. Because my inspiration for this video was last minute. So I'm sorry about that. Here you go. Inside there's the fat layer. As you can see, the rillette is very fatty. That's not just the frozenness. Usually this is a better shape of container to put the rillette in, FYI, but I ran out. All right, so 5 reasons I'm going to tell you today that rillette is great to make over the Christmas season. First of all, it's easy to make, all right? Like, it's so easy to make. You don't need any special equipment to make it. You need a pot, an oven, or the stove, a lid for the pot, you know, a spoon to stir it. All right, reason number 2. There's no need to shop for specialty ingredients for rillette. All you need is some fat, well, some fat back. I mean, I don't think that's a specialty ingredient because it's always in my freezer. If that's a specialty ingredient to you, then this video is only going to have 4 good reasons. And then you need some fatty meat like pork belly. You could also use like a turkey leg or duck leg, or it's not very fancy ingredients that you need. So you don't have to make special trips because you're already busy at Christmas doing all the stuff for yourself, for your family. You can't be making specialty trips to like make specialty ingredients unless you want to drive yourself crazy. Okay, 3rd reason is that a little bottle of rillette, a little jar of rillette like that makes a perfect hostess gift. It sets you apart because, you know, most people are bringing over like some cookies as if you need some more cookies. You can make it ahead of time, take it out of the freezer. It does freeze well. Give it as a hostess gift, maybe with like a little box of fancy crackers or a little bit of jam all together in a little baggie. And people will appreciate that. Okay, reason number 4 is that rillette helps you be prepared for unexpected guests. Anytime they pop over, say hello during the holidays, invite them in, you have some rillette, you spread on a cracker for them, put some little baby pickles out, give them some club soda. They think, wow, oh my gosh, she's such a hostess. And, you know, in that case, you put out some rillette as part of like a little platter. I'll tell you what people don't do. They don't go, oh, I shouldn't. They go, oh, that's great, right? Recently, I was at my sister-in-law's, and she's an excellent hostess. And one of my friends came over, and you know, I made my friend a coffee, and my sister-in-law, like, she went to the kitchen, she got a little plate, and she put all these treats on it. They were like brownies and whatnot. And she brought it out to my friend and said, help yourself. And then he said, oh, I shouldn't. And he was torn, right? But then he did, and he enjoyed them because they were delicious. And my sister-in-law is like top notch. She only puts out great stuff. But my point is that with sweets, people know they don't need more of them. You know, you're not eating them for nutrition. You're not getting all your vitamins for the day to help you become a more robust and healthy person. So there's always that, you know, the angel and the devil going, should I eat this or should I not eat this? But with something hearty like rillette on the cucumber or even a cracker, people know that's real food and they're happy to eat it. Okay. And oh gosh, I'm already at number 5. Number 5, I don't think I did this for number 4, but unexpected guess, that was number 4. Number 5 is, it is perfect for the Feast of the Seven Fishes. Okay, you could see my hesitation. I was like, what am I saying? Is that correct? Because the 7 fishes, this is not fishes in here. But now I remember. Okay, so the other kind of rillette you could make is seafood rillette. It's common to make like a salmon rillette. So that is you know, not traditional, like you don't cook it in the oven for hours like a pork rillette. But for a seafood rillette, it's more cheesy, very heavy on the dairy. So like with a salmon rillette, usually you mix it up with some cream cheese. It's very light. Anyway, with the Feast of the Seven Fishes, which is an Italian tradition that I learned about, that happens on Christmas Eve, it's like many, many fishes. I read an article that said it's recommended to have like a light, the first round of the 7 fishes is great to have a light treat for this fishy. So seafood rillettes or salmon rillettes would be perfect for that. And if you're you know, participating in the Feast of 7 Fishes with your family, and you're like me, you'd want to make something that is easy to make and kind of fail safe. So this is perfect. Salmon rillette. All right, so there you have it. There's 5 good reasons to make rillette this Christmas and every Christmas. Now, actually, over there on Forcemeat Academy, it's back there. I have a recipe, or I have an article that is actually called 10 Reasons to Make Noël Rillettes every Christmas. So head on over there if you want 5 more reasons and to read more about the 5 that I told you. I'll put the link down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Really appreciate it. And if you want to see more of these videos, then click subscribe. All right. Well, Merry Christmas, and may all your rillette be delicious and go with the fishes. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oops. Oh my gosh. Cancel. All right. Bye.